Well, the last few days I've mentioned that it's been very, very windy. And it's been very, very windy. This is what's left of my little tent shelter garage. As you can see, the wind has just about shredded it. Now, just to show you just how strong the wind really is, if we look down at the bottom, this shelter was bolted to this bottom frame because I wanted partly to extend the height. So this section here, right down here, is about 10 inches high. It goes the full perimeter, both sides and the back, not the front. And then the metal framework is bolted and screwed to that. And then this whole assembly, which has moved, was attached to these big railroad ties that have been sunk in the ground for years. And that, alright, hang on for a minute, we have a war going on. Okay, back to this. So that whole framework there was bolted down, actually it was 5-inch spiked, into these old railroad ties, and these have been embedded into the ground for many, many years. I don't even know how long. As you can see, not only did it rip the shelter apart, but has torn that whole framework out of the supports on the ground. It broke it up, flipped it over, turned it upside down with a half-assed, well, I can't even hardly say inside anymore. This is what's left of our shelter. So I'm a bit sick of the wind around here, but that's the life of the Great White North, I guess. As I was saying about it being very, very windy here recently, that's been, we've had an awful wind here all winter actually. Going to be a tent garage anymore. My goodness. Tore this thing over 2 pieces. My gosh. Be lucky if it doesn't pick up and blow itself across the field. Well, when the wind dies down tonight or tomorrow, I know what I'm going to be doing.